is stronger than you feel and smarter than you think. With these beautiful lines, I am Tanvi Chaudhary from class 11 science along with my housemates wishing you all a very auspicious morning. Today is 18th of November 2023 and it is Saturday. Let us start our day by a beautiful and motivational thought. So I would like to invite Vanshika from class 11 science for thought of the day.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Vanshika Chaudhary from class 11 science. Today's thought is success comes to all those who are busy looking for it. Thank you.
Knowing what happenings around the world is a very essential duty for all of us. So I would like to invite Bhanu to make us aware of today's current happenings.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Bhanu from class 3. Today's news headlines are: first, deeply concerned India calls for peace as Myanmar fighting weak near border. Second, Delhi government forms special task force to combat pollution. Third, net zero season gets more frequency amongst English case sources.
Teaching ourselves with word power is a way to improve our vocabulary skills. So to improve our word power, let us invite Arav to say a new word for today's assembly.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Arav Elavat from class 3rd. Award. Hindi meaning word is Puruskar. The synonym word is prize. Thank you and have a nice day.
Learning never stops and knowledge never ends. So to make us learn new knowledge, here comes Aditi to present today's GK question.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Aditi Sharma from Takshila House. Today's GK questions are: first, which state of India is the first position in cement production? I repeating my question. Which state of India is in the first position cement production? The answer is Rajasthan. Second, polio invented by which scientist? I repeat my question. Polio invented by which scientist? The answer is John A. Salak. Third, the Constitution of India is divided into how much divisions? I repeat my question. The Constitution of India is divided into how much divisions? The answer is 13.
express it is the best way to express your thoughts and feelings to others. Full stop. This is
Look forward, different policies and political parties put forward different policies and programs before the voters to address them overcast votes in the favor of a particular party. For example, these type of policies and programs are mentioned in party agenda, party manifesto before the elections. Here, there is Raman Deva Buddha वगैरह, है BJP आई के बाद over there. उसके पहले उन्होंने पार्टी मैनिफेस्टो में क्या रखा? ये जो राम मंदिर का जो मुद्दा है, जो उनका बड़ा है उसे सपोर्ट करेंगे. मेजोरिटी कम्युनिटी क्या किया? मेजोरिटी कम्युनिटी ने वोट किया पार्टी को. तो ये इसमें आएगा कि भाई उसकी क्या पॉलिसी क्या है, फ्यूचर के लिए, इलेक्शन के लिए क्या प्रोग्राम है पार्टी का. पर्पस क्या होता है? टू अट्रैक्ट वोट. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट पॉइंट आ जाओ. Role of opposition. Role of opposition. Third party lose the election. It plays role of opposition party. अभी कौन सी opposition है? कौन सी पार्टियां opposition है? भाई रूलिंग पार्टी क्या है? जो पार्टियां हैं वो अलग अलग हो सकती हैं. कोई स्टेट में है, किसी स्टेट में कांग्रेस की सरकार है, तो वहाँ पे क्या है? दूसरी पार्टी अपोजिशन पार्टी हो गई. तो अपोजिशन पार्टी का रोल क्या होता है? क्या काम करती है अपोजिशन पार्टी पॉलिटिक्स में? रूलिंग पार्टी के फेलियर को unfavorable policies के ऊपर criticize करते हैं and raising the public need, opinion, public demand. पब्लिक क्या चाह रही है रूलिंग गवर्नमेंट से, और कुछ ऐसे इश्यूज को हाईलाइट करेंगी ये, जैसे कि तीसरा मुद्दा हो गया आजकल जो सबसे मेन है अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट. अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट का मुद्दा हो गया. जरूरी है ऐसे इश्यूज को हाईलाइट करने का. दूसरा पॉवर्टी का मुद्दा हो गया, हो गया. इस तरह के जितने भी इश्यूज जो जनरल इंटरेस्ट से रिलेटेड है, डेवलपमेंट